Hi, and welcome back to another Animals of the Ark. Say hello to Shamrock. He is a 3-year-old mixed breed. After being found at a skinny weight of 38 pounds, he has progressed to a healthy weight of 50 pounds. He loves walks on a leash, tennis balls, and especially belly rubs.
Go get it.
Shamrock is house trained and will need a little bit of tender love and care to help him gain a couple more pounds. If you would like more information on how to adopt Shamrock, contact Ark in Mecosta County today.